Yeah, not affiliated, I just like them. Make it really pretty, like me. Everyone, it's Terry. Thank you for coming back. We are doing a very simple dish today. This is a dish that pretty much every household would do in Japan, and they'll have their own version. Today I've chosen ingredients that you can just get them in any fishmongers and supermarkets. Very simple ingredients, but they are very, very good to eat. You can have it for lunch, for dinner, or whatever occasion, or for like a picnic. The dish is called BARAZUSHI. There you go. That's what we're doing today. So what we have is a mixture of fish, crustacean, eggs, and vegetables. And today we have some poached prawn, diced. Then we have some diced raw Seabream, and then some salmon. Then comes some diced cucumber, avocado, mushroom, and this is Lotus Root. And finally, just some omelette, thinly sliced. That's it. Oh, we'll have some rice. And then we'll just combine them together. It's nice and easy. Anyone can make this at home, really. Firstly, you need to choose a beautiful bowl or a beautiful container. This, I recently just got them from a shop in Harrow called Doki, and they have some really beautiful crockeries there. Yeah, not affiliated, I just like them. So the rice is just a simple vinegar mixed sushi rice. If you don't know how to make it, watch our video and we'll have a link somewhere there. With this, you can put in a lot of rice. It's hearty, strong flavor, and whole family can eat. Really good. We treat this salmon the same way as we do in our past videos. So we cure them quickly with salt for like 15 minutes and then wash it in ice water, just to help to get rid of some of that fattiness in salmon. So for BARAZUSHI, I am using not the prime cut, like the tail piece. The reason is we are dicing them quite finely anyway, and we can afford to use the tougher cuts, which we don't normally use for sushi. And just cut them into like sort of a centimeter-ish dice. Give it a bit of style. Just spread things out. You don't need to be organized. They are meant to be rustic. So just have a lot of color, make it really pretty, like me. Actually, you know, I always thought the Hawaiian poke is a version of this, but apparently it's not. It's got its own root. I don't know. Maybe next time we'll do a video about poke. Let's lay some eggs. Not literally lay some eggs, but you know what I mean. So, use a non-stick pan and just roll it like that. We don't want to overcook, otherwise it becomes rubbery. Just use residual heat to gently cook it. Some dark color stuff in. Then cucumber, avocado, and then some lotus root. Got some soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and a little bit of salt. It's very light. I don't want it to be like a teriyaki sauce or manchuria sauce like that. It just adds a little bit of flavor to the vegetable that we are going to cook, which are the lotus root. Just add more in, and also some mushroom. Just boil them. Generous sprinkle of sesame seed. When you eat this, just mix it with soy sauce and wasabi. Perfect, that's it. A very simple dish for today. If you ever try this, let me know how you get on. Everyone should be able to make this, and it's a great fun to make it with your family, with your kids, with your husband, wife, whatever, and share your pictures or videos with us. I can't wait to see how you get on with this. If you like the content, subscribe and hit the little bell, and I'll see you next.